heard about the latest development in Ebonyi State? The exciting new cinema project happening in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. It's making waves in the Nigerian film industry. From unexpected surprises to groundbreaking development, Abakaliki has been buzzing with excitement, and we are here to uncover the truth. What could it be? So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let Ebonyi People TV take you on an unforgettable journey into the cinema lounge. My name is Faith Ijiriga. The flourishing Nigerian film industry has recently garnered attention with the introduction of a groundbreaking cinema project in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. A ceremony to unveil the project witnessed the presence of iconic actors such as Pete Edochie, Patience Ozokwor, Chinwetalu Agu, Nkem Owoh, Kanayo O, and Chacha Eke, who extended their support for this cinematic endeavor. Governor Francis Nwifuru of Ebonyi lauded the cinema project as a significant development for the state and an invaluable opportunity to promote Igbo culture. Represented by his deputy, Patricia Obila.
The program, as you have tagged it, Igbo, we are all seated here to celebrate our culture.
Governor Nwifuru pledged substantial support, offering 15 million naira to bolster the filmmaking initiative in Ebonyi, emphasizing the role of the entertainment industry in preserving cultural identity. Nwifuru highlighted the importance of fostering its growth. Pete Edochie expressed gratitude to the people of Ebonyi for spearheading the cinema project and underscored the continuous backing needed for the country's film industry, acknowledging it as the largest employer of labor. Kanayo and Ozokwor also commended the project initiators and urged them to persist in advancing the industry. Stanley Ogbuewu, the State Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, elucidated the cinema project's objective to awaken Igbo consciousness about the richness of their culture. He emphasized the significance of promoting Igbo heritage and fostering unity through a shared identity. The project aims to present films, music, and dances in the Igbo language and way of life, creating a cultural revival. This innovative project holds the promise of revitalizing Igbo culture by instilling awareness among its people. It underscores the unity among the diverse Igbo populace, transcending linguistic and traditional differences. The Abakaliki Cinema project emerges as a transformative initiative poised to elevate Igbo culture and contribute to the broader success of Nigeria's film industry. The presence of renowned Nigerian actors during the unveiling reaffirms the significance and relevance of this undertaking, hinting at forthcoming cinematic achievements and heightened recognition of Igbo culture and filmmaking talent. And that's a wrap on the unforgettable launch of the Igbo Cinema in Abakaliki. We've witnessed an incredible celebration of culture, creativity, and community. As the curtains close on this momentous event, let's carry the spirit of Igbo storytelling with us wherever we go. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic adventure, and we can't wait to see you at the movies. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from Ebonyi People TV. Until next time, I am Faith Ijiriga.